Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
All right, looking upon downtown Grand Rapids. That's how Medical Mile and 196 is looking on this peaceful Sunday morning. Wee little bit of daylight there in the distance on the horizon. And Scott, we're wondering if we're going to get a repeat of yesterday, but it looks like the headlines say a different story.
Well, we do have some sunshine early on today, David. It looks like we will have the cloud cover filter in as we continue on, and showers do become likely as we get into the later afternoon and the evening hours. Beyond that, it looks like a drier pattern is going to be settling on as we continue through this week with warmer high temperatures in the 60s and 70s, not too far away. As you mentioned, seeing just a little bit of daylight out there as we check things out in East Grand Rapids right now over Reed's Lake. Let's check out what's currently happening. Our temperature measured at 41 degrees as the wind spills in from the northeast at 9 miles per hour. That's going to become fairly strong this afternoon. Some gusts between about 25 and 30 miles per hour in West Michigan. Let's get a look at our temperatures now. A snapshot of those displaying 30s and 40s blanket the area right now. It's 46 in Sturgis, 44 for Kalamazoo as well as Holland, 41 Grand Rapids, 39 degrees in Greenville as well as Big Rapids. And again, the wind is not too troublesome at the moment. We have that between about 5 and 10 miles per hour, but that will become stronger as we continue into this afternoon. Here's a look at the next 24 hours. We should expect to see some more cloud cover shifting in as we continue into the afternoon today. And showers, it looks like those chances will begin in Grand Rapids after 4 o'clock, and you can see that we'll continue to spill out some showers into the morning hours of Monday. As we check out how much rain has occurred this month so far, a pretty good soaking already at about a ½ inch to an inch for many locations in West Michigan, including just above a ½ inch in Grand Rapids. And you can see that we are going to have some more rain work in as we have some showers already being indicated on the radar with an area of low pressure which is kind of stalled out in Ohio. It looks like that's going to travel further north, and as it does so, that'll also lead into those increasing clouds and the opportunity for showers. Let's go through Futurecast then and time things out for you. You can see that we have those showers working in for points near I-94 right around lunchtime, 1 o'clock today. As you can see that a soaking rain will begin to build in toward Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. As we pause the clock here at 5 p.m., we could have some of those showers begin to arrive around Grand Rapids. We'll continue to see that chance of rain, especially south of I-96 at 10 o'clock this evening, and we'll continue to work through the showers into the morning on Monday. Most of the day tomorrow likely to be dry, as you can see that the rain is going to be making its exit pretty early on in the day, and then we should have some breaks in the clouds leading into tomorrow afternoon. Still a couple of spotty showers indicated as you move into our southern tier of counties. Let's check out how much rain is on the way, and amounts have increased versus yesterday, seeing about a ½ inch to an inch with some of the greater accumulations further south, 2/3 of an inch in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, 4/10 of an inch in Grand Rapids, and those amounts taper off as you travel further north. It does look like we are going to have some drier weather coming soon and also some warmer conditions to enjoy. Highs mainly in the 60s and 70s as we go through this week, and next weekend really looks terrific. We'll check out the 8-day forecast here. You can see that those rain chances vanish as we move past Tuesday. Looks like we'll have some sunny skies, highs in the 60s and 70s.
Wow.
Really nice weather for the Riverbank Run.
Yeah, real pleasant is an understatement there. And at least this morning we can get a little bit of a stroll, maybe a nice little fishing trip. Sunday services obviously can be outside if they can. So until the rain comes in.
Right, looks like the weather should be cooperating this morning. A different story later this afternoon, so have those umbrellas ready to go.
Sounds good. All right, thanks so much, Scott.